It's Friday, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Another one bites the dust. That's this decorating job done. And I've got loads more decorating downstairs in here next week, and some paneling and some boxing in. So might be something to watch. If I think it's worth filming, I will. But I'll just turn you around and show you how this one's come out. It's just a little few before shots, really. You can see the state the room was in. It is on the playlist somewhere. I think if you do want to watch me stripping and plastering that, it's there for you. So yeah, just a few shots just to show you how it's come out. A few befores and afters. And yeah, I'm happy with that. I think they'll be happy with that as well. Also today, I took my delivery of my resin bound kit for my garden. So here's how it comes. I've got 14 bags of this autumn quartz stuff. And then you've got these tubs. You've got A and B, which you've got to be mixed together. And I think each tub, it says on it, it does about 4 square metres of stuff, which is worrying me because that only equals 12 square metres, but I've bought 14 bags. I've got 14 square metres. I presume you just divide the last 2 bags out and just equally, mix it between them. Should be all right, I should think. So I'm going to put all that in my shed now because I don't want that getting wet because it's bone dry, that stuff. It's all going to go down here, this lower part of the garden. But the sun is pretty hot today, so I'm not going to chance it in this heat. But yeah, it's all going to go down there. So I think here I am just opening the bag just to show you. I wasn't sure what to expect. I was just expecting pea shingle, but it's a lot finer than that. It's just sort of almost like what you put in a fish tank, really, a bit bigger than that, but it's that sort of very granular. And this is called autumn quartz. I wanted a real natural looking stone. I didn't want no fancy colours. So you can see it's very small, but it's bone dry as well. So that's why I'm going to stick it in the shed because I think we've got storms coming tomorrow. So I don't want a chance of getting damp. Right, that's the resin bound kit all delivered safely. And I was going to get on with it today because it's only about 1 o'clock and I'm finished now from working over at the neighbour's house. And I was going to get on with it today and was really keen to get it down really, but the weather is hot. It's about 28 degrees. And when you look at the spec for laying this resin bound stuff, it's like render. It's anywhere between 5 degrees and 25 degrees. And it says in higher temperatures, the resin could go off quicker and not let you sort of float it together. I suppose a bit like silicone render really. You don't want it too hot, too much drying. So I'm going to leave it, although I'm itching to get on with it. I'll probably do that next week sometime, so we'll make a video on that. And hopefully I've ordered enough. I've ordered 14 square metres of stuff, which is about the size there. I didn't want to order too much over because it's expensive, that stuff. Every time you order a tub, I think it's about 30 odd quid. So I didn't want to have loads left over. So we'll see how it goes with that. But hopefully I can just get, if I do get, there's a point in the garden where if I do run out, I can just sort of form a straight line across it and then add to it where the table and chairs go in the sort of far corner. So I don't think you'd really notice it anyway. But it's my first time using it, so but I will make a video and see how that goes. So that's about me for the week, really. I've sacked Brucey. I don't know if any of you saw yesterday, I was going to do a little silly thing with me doing a silly Bruce full-size impression of a mask on, and I did put it on the video yesterday, but I deleted the video because I think it might have been a bit too much. As soon as I put the video out, I lost 2 subscribers, and I'm not brilliant with the subscribers as it is, so I'm trying to build them up. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, please just give a little subscribe and just try and get me up there a bit. But like I say, I was trying to do something different with introducing like me pretending to be Bruce Forsyth as another member of the team, but it was just my silly head. I'm only decorating over there, so I've had a lot of thinking time. But like I say, that it lost me 2 subscribers straight away, and I thought, you know what, maybe that's a bit too much. I know I like a muck about and a bit of a joke, but it's meant to be a plastering, painting channel, not me being an idiot channel. So I've sacked Bruce. He's gone. You won't see him again. So it'll be back to work next week. Me over there. Anyway, enough rambling. Have a good weekend, everyone, and I'll see you soon.